How to graph y equals 3x squared minus 4 using a table of values. We're going to use 3 steps. Step 1, we're going to have 3 columns in our table of values and fill them in accordingly. We'll need an x column, a y equals 3x squared minus 4 column, and an xy column. So we're going to use the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 for our x values, and then we're going to substitute them into the equation to get the y outputs. So if x is -2, we have y equals 3 times the quantity of -2 squared minus 4 equals 8. You can do this problem in 2 ways. With a calculator, input 3 times bracket -2 bracket square function minus 4, which is 8, or what you can do is follow the rules of BEDMAS. Brackets, square it, -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is 4. Then you multiply, which is 12, and then you subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. So either option is possible, and you will get the xy coordinates of -2, 8. When x is -1, we follow the same pattern. We have y equals 3 times the quantity -1 all squared minus 4. And again, choose your calculator or the rules of BEDMAS. Once more a review. Bracket, which is -1, square it. So -1 times -1 is 1, times 3 is 3, minus 4 is -1. And the xy pair is -1, -1. And likewise, we fill in the table of values with our calculator or rules of BEDMAS, and we should get the point 0, -4, which is the vertex, the turning point. It is the minimum value. If x is equal to 1, then the y output will be -1. Again, use your calculator or BEDMAS, and the point is therefore 1, -1. And notice that there is symmetry about the vertex. Notice this is -1 and this is -1. This is +8, so we can expect the y output here will be +8, and let's verify that's true. So if x is 2, we have y equals 3 times the quantity of 2 squared minus 4 is equal to 8, and that proves that there is symmetry about the vertex. So this is 8, -1, and -1. So that's step 1. Step 2, we have an xy grid, and we plot our 5 key critical points. So with -2, 8, we start at the origin, go 2 units to the left, and we're going to go 8 units up and plot the point. For -1, -1, we are going to start at the origin, go 1 left, 1 unit down, plot the point. For the vertex, we have 0, -4, start at the origin, and go down 4 units, plot the vertex. For the 4th point, we have 1, -1, start at the origin, go 1 unit to the right, and 1 unit down, plot your point. And the last point is 2, 8, start at the origin, go 2 units to the right, and 8 units up. And here you have 5 key critical points plotted on your xy grid. For step 3, we are going to draw a smooth curve that joins all of these points together. If you do it correctly, it should look something like this. And that is how you graph y equals 3x squared minus 4 using a table of values.